I was so excited to find out last week that I have 15 million views across all my YouTube videos on my channel, Face Yoga Expert. So I wanted to do you guys a video, particularly in theme with Soul Purpose Business, on exactly how I did that. Now, there's a few tips I'm going to give you. Of course, everyone varies when it comes to business and YouTube, but I wanted to share with you a few ways I did it. So my tip number one is through consistency. I honestly believe this is the biggest reason why my YouTube channel is a success. I've got well over 200,000 subscribers to the moment, and now well over 50 million views across all of my videos. And I honestly believe it's because I've made videos very regularly. So twice a week, whatever happens, I show up on video, and I make sure that I do that every single week. And now, because I'm offering you these Soul Purpose Business videos, I'm actually doing 3 times a week. So that consistency is absolutely key. At the beginning, I definitely wasn't getting 15 million views. I was getting about 4 views per video. But by doing it regularly and keeping it going, even those times when you think there's not enough people watching, is this really going to work? I just kept going at it. And absolutely, that has been one of the biggest reasons that I've got to 50 million views. Number 2 is being of service. Everything I do is for you guys that watch. I never try and make any video about me, even if I'm sharing personal stories and personal experience. It's really to help you guys. So when I go into every video, I think, how can I make a difference? How can I really help you? How can I offer something which is really educational for you, really going to help you? And really at the very core of it, how it's going to help you feel better, because wellness and feeling good is at the core of what I do with Face Yoga Expert and through Soul Purpose Business as well. And I honestly believe when you turn up with an attitude of service, firstly, you don't get nervous because it becomes about other people and not about you. But secondly, it really has a bigger mission to it. So it isn't just about getting YouTube views or making money on ads or people buying your products and services. All that is great, of course, and I'm truly thankful and grateful to all of you guys that help with that. But what it is about is making a difference to other people. So when you're making your YouTube videos, even if you're just starting out with your YouTube, always think, how is this video going to help someone else? And that will guide you really well throughout your YouTube creating. Tip number 3, how I have grown to 15 million views across all of my videos, is really looking at what works and what doesn't work. There has certainly been videos which I've put out there which haven't done very well at all. And there's been other videos which have had millions and millions of views. But what I do is I regularly look at which videos are working and I make more of those videos. That doesn't mean I don't try new things, and that doesn't mean that I don't use my intuition about what I feel I'd like to share with other people. But when I look at what you guys want and make more of that, that has really helped to grow my YouTube channel. And lastly, and really importantly, tip number 4 is being authentic. People want to see the real you, whether that's in day-to-day life or whether that's through your YouTube videos. Show up as the real you. We often think that when we're building a brand or when we're being professional, we have to act in a very different way to who we truly are. Yes, of course, we have to be polite and we want to be our best self. And yes, that is being professional. But you can also show who you are on a deep soul level. So show the things you love doing. Talk about the things you love talking about. Really help people from a soul-centered place, and be yourself. As much as you can, be yourself. People will warm to that, people will enjoy that, and people will want to be part of that. So they are my 4 tips. If you'd like to know more about Soul Purpose Business, you can head to yoursoulpurposebusiness.com. I have free upcoming Zoom seminars which you can come along and learn about how to use your intuition with business. I also have 10 session courses, and I have also a very exciting upcoming 3-hour live Zoom workshop where you can come along and plan 1 month of social media posts in a really soulful, conscious way So just head to yoursoulpurposebusiness.com.